No, you got clearance. You got quite a bit of clearance yet. Yeah, you got about a foot of clearance. Just yeah, I have to give it a little. Yeah. Nope. No, you got, shoot, 10 inches. Oh, dang.
Yeah, just doing a little flexing for you guys, kind of try and show how the suspension works. We don't have much for hills here or other obstacles. But that's a cool angle right there. I love that. I love that shot right there. That's perfect. But my phone battery is about to die, so hope you guys like the video. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in a future episode. Later, guys.
Oh, yeah, they got stuck.
Look at this, guys. Under the ice here, there's minnows just stuck. Where are they? Here's one
Right
here. But they all, yeah, they're over this way.
Yeah, or over there.
You can see them kind of flittering around. Look at this. Yeah, right here. Whole ton of them. They're all up by the shallow. Look at this.
Yeah,
Right here by the rock. Here's a big one.
Oh, yeah. Well, for funny, they're all going out, yeah.
Well, they're because we're creaking on the ice.
Yeah.
Maybe they're up by the grass.
Oh, they're all right in here. What? That's cool. That's not very neat.
That's crazy.
Dude, yeah.
Bet there's a whole yeah, in by the grass here. Look at all these.
Heck yeah, you'll have to send me that video. It's cool. I've never seen that before.
Neither have I.
Times. Oh yeah. Oh dude, that's sweet.
Yeah, he's on
We're
top. He came up through the hole.
What the?
Grab him. See what kind of minnow he is. Grab that little guy.
Oh no. Oh shit.
Well, you're not gonna get wet, so.
Oh,
think he went under.
you little bugger. Yeah. Shoot.
Is there more?
Yeah.
Here's some under here. Here's some.
Still pretty thick here.
Oh, Josh, if I fall through, I'm toast.
I know. Careful.
I got just short shoes on,
This
so.
looks kind of deep.
Yeah, check. Yeah, it's probably why it's open too. The deeper stuff looks like it's more open.
See that? Look at how it's deep there.
Uh-huh. Step over here.
Yeah, I can step there and then I can walk in.
Maybe here and check.
Even here looks kind of deep.
Uh-huh. Here, give me your hand.
Ooh.
Oh, don't. No, don't step that. Don't step that far in.
Dude, that's
Here,
deep.
come over here a step.
Ah, no.
Here, want to dump your boot out?
Oh,
Here, give me your arm.
no. Ah, I gotta grab it.
You stepped too far.
I thought I was gonna hit. Oh, shoot.
You just went like,
Yeah, I just went like, oh, nope.
shit. Sorry.
Ah, that's all good. Dang it.
I was wondering, you're like, okay, yeah, a little blue.
I thought I was gonna stop.
That's too deep.
I thought I was gonna stop, but I didn't. Burr.